In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use JavaScript Transformer in Retool. A transformer is a small JavaScript snippet you write inside Retool to reshape, clean, or compute data, and then return a final value you can use elsewhere in your app. It's great for formatting API responses, calculating totals, or preparing data for charts without changing your original data source. First, open the code panel. At the bottom of the Retool editor, look for the Code button and click it. This opens a dedicated area where all your custom logic lives. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see the options clearly. Think of this as your workspace for writing helpers that make the rest of your app simpler and cleaner. Next, add a new transformer. In the Code panel, click the plus icon and choose Transformer. Retool will create a new transformer and open its editor. Rename it to something descriptive so you can recognize it later at a glance, like format orders, compute totals, or clean response. Clear names make debugging much easier and help teammates understand what your logic does without diving into the code. Now, write your JavaScript. Inside the transformer window, you'll type plain JS and return a value at the end. The key rule is, always return something. The returned value is what other parts of your app can reference. For example, you might parse a response, remove empty fields, or sort an array. You could write logic like mapping an array to a new shape, filtering out invalid rows, or computing a summary object, and then return that final result. A simple approach is to guard against missing data and keep the code predictable. For instance, start by setting a safe default, transform the data, and then return the transformed value. If you want to handle edge cases, use try and catch to prevent runtime errors from breaking your app. You can also add quick console logs during development to verify intermediate values. As you type, Retool will show the output preview, making it easy to confirm you're returning exactly what you expect. When you're happy with the result, keep the transformer focused and reusable. Short, single-purpose transformers are easier to maintain. With the code panel open, a clear transformer name, and a concise return value, you now have a reliable JS helper you can use throughout your Retool app. That's all there is to opening the code panel, adding a transformer, and writing JavaScript that returns a clean, usable result.